Okay, so here today we have a Sunny Roo SR2000 TL solar inverter, and you can see on the display of this one it's actually coming up with an AL14 error code. Now AL14 error code means there's been a problem with the utility. The utility or the waveform has failed. Now the best thing to do about this is to just try and reboot in the inverter, see if that actually fixes it. So we can see the shutdown procedure here on how to do that. You always turn off the AC solar supply main switch located in the switchboard. Then turn off the inverter isolator at the inverter. So we always turn off the AC first, which is the solar supply main switch of the switchboard. In this case, the switchboard's inside, so I'm not going to do that one. I'm just going to go straight to this inverter isolator down here, and this is turning off the AC. Then we follow the instructions again. Then D number 3 there, and turn off the DC PV array isolator located next to the inverter. So in this case it's over here. So we'll just open this up and turn that off. Now we'll just leave that off for a moment until the screen goes blank. And give it a few more seconds, and then we'll just try rebooting the inverter, see if that actually fixes it. So we'll go turn it back on now. So we'll just reverse the process, turn it back on, so DC on first, then down to the AC on, and we'll see what the inverter has to tell us from that. So it's still coming up with AL14 at the moment, but that should try and reconnect again there. So like I said, the AL14 error means that there's a problem with the utility. It's seeing a problem with the utility. Now in this case here, I'm a licensed electrician and solar accredited installer, and so I've actually checked the AC into the inverter, and it's doing exactly what it should be doing. So it's not actually a problem with the AC of the inverter. In this case, it is a problem with the actual inverter. The AL14 is an internal fault with the inverter. Now we could try and get this inverter repaired, but in reality, if you do that, you're not going to be looking at much change from $500, and you're still going to be left with an inverter which is of inferior quality and is with no warranty. So in my opinion, you may as well just bite the bullet and spend a bit more money and get the inverter replaced with a good quality one with a full warranty. And if you're on the Gold Coast or Brisbane, Gold Coast Solar Power Solutions can certainly help you with that. Yeah, so unfortunately in this case, this inverter is going to be replaced. This AL14 error is an internal error, and so we're going to replace that now with a good quality replacement inverter and give the customer a full warranty again. So I hope that's been helpful. If you've got an AL14 problem with your inverter, I'm sorry to hear that, but hopefully this has been helpful for you. Thanks very much.